Okay, so yeah, okay. Pumbaa's tusks are like this. You're not supposed to talk like that because he talks perfectly straight, like all good and stuff. But I'm talking like this right now. So I don't know how he does that because he goes, "It's Mr. Pig." I don't know how he says that with his tusks. Just like that, you know? Because like I forgot, but I think in elephants the tusks like grow out of the sides. Well, I don't know. I haven't seen an elephant in a long time, but I like elephants.
Hi, Cohen. How you doing, Hunter?
It's like Simba. But The Lion King is one of my favorite movies. It's like, because it's like. Remember, The Lion King is one of my favorite movies because it's like, and then it's like a monkey with a stick. Yeah, really. Like right there, because he's just like. You can just like see it. It's like that, but it's supposed to be a stick with those fruit thingies on it. I don't know.
And so you use my guitar?
Yes.
As a stick thingy with fruits on it?
Yeah. And he's always like, I don't know. And then Timon's a meerkat.
He is? Are you sure?
Yes, he is. I know. That's a fact.
Then what are you? Are you a meerkat too?
No.
Well, you're a queer cat.
Nice one. Nice one. I don't know, but Pumbaa...
Catherine is not a meerkat. She's a queer cat.
I don't know, but Pumbaa's a warthog. Ow. So...
Yeah, that's attractive.
Very. For warthogs it is. And I think elephants too.
You mean mammoths?
Elephants.
I'm putting this up on YouTube.
Oh.
Queer cat. Has a peace sign.
My finger smells like my saliva.
Because they're fingertastic.